Okay. So what is the topic today, guys? Good evening, guys. So what is the topic today? Regular expressions. Okay. Having said that, Kirtana, can you unmute yourself? Lakshmi also said regular expression. Okay. So Kirtana, can you
Yes, sir.
unmute yourself? Yeah. What do you mean by regular
Yes,
expression?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Okay. Lakshmi, can you tell what do you mean by regular
But
expression?
No, sir, no idea.
Okay. Lakshmi, yes. Lakshmi, yes. Okay. Vishalini, what do you mean by regular expressions? Any idea? Vishalini, guys, tell something. No, you guys are not even. Anyways, I'm fed up telling you people. Anyways, okay. Okay. So regular expressions are nothing but a sequence of characters that actually forms a specific search pattern. Okay. What are regular expressions, right? You can write down somewhere in your material or somewhere. Regular expressions are nothing but a sequence of characters that forms a specific search pattern. Okay. Is that okay? You want me to repeat it once again, guys? You want me to repeat it? Guys, there is a lot of disturbance. Can you unmute yourself? Sorry, you can mute yourself. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. The repetition is very simple. I mean, the definition is very simple. Regular expressions are nothing but a sequence of specific or a sequence of characters that actually forms a specific search pattern. Okay. I'll tell you what do you mean by that, right? Now, what is, okay. Shall we start off with the program? Shall we start with the program? Okay. Yes, no? Yeah. Okay. You remember I gave you some file assignments long back to, to take the strings from the file, then change that, change this and all that. Okay. So yeah. So after today's session, I think you can go back and do those assignments once again. Okay. So that you will be able to figure out how to do that. A lot of things. Okay. Now let me start from here. What is this? Basically, tell me what is this called as? What is this called as? Tell me. Forget about everything. What is this called as? It is basically a string, correct? It is basically called as a string. Very good. Okay. Now what is the okay, this is basically a string. Okay, what if I want to search for a specific substring in this particular string? Okay, guys, do you know what do you mean by substring? Sub is a substring, okay, or India is a substring, and is a substring, ou is a substring, ove is a substring. Okay, this is basically a substring within a string. Is that okay? Do you understand that? Tell me that. Do you understand that? Okay. Now what is the difference? Okay, you understood string and substring, correct? Okay. Now next is, what is the difference between, okay, what is the difference between print? Okay, let me erase it once again. What is the difference between print? Okay, print hello, print hello, new line character. Okay, and then the difference between this and this print. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, print r, okay, and hello, new line character. What is the difference between these two? Can anyone unmute yourself and talk to me? If I just suffix a r, like a prefix a r like this, what will happen? What is the difference between these two?
this is a raw string and it ignores the escape character.
Yeah, this is
I mean, it
Kirtana.
takes the, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, Kirtana, tell me.
R is basically for raw string.
Yeah, what is the difference between the raw string and a normal string?
If it is a normal string, I guess, I'm not sure. If there is a, I mean, the backslash and I treat as the escape character.
Okay.
But here it prints that as well.
Okay, so when I say print hello, okay, first let me print hello. Did you see how it gets printed? Now let me say hello, new line character. Did you see that? The new line character, there's a new line added to it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
when I say raw, okay, like this,
Yeah.
then what happens?
It prints,
The new line, the escape, what do you call, the meaning of that new line character is removed from that. Correct? No, that is basically called as a raw string. Is that okay? Did you see the difference, guys? Did you observe the difference, guys? Yes or no? Yeah, so that is the reason in this entire session, that is in this entire class, I will be making use of a raw string as a regex or regular expression. Regular expression is, very popularly called as a regex. It's called as regex. Okay, when someone says regex, don't feel Subhash did not teach. It is nothing but regular expression only. Is that okay? It's a short form for regex, right? Now, okay. So if you want to work with regular expressions, okay, that is pattern matching. Okay, okay. So or you can also call this as pattern matching. It's also called as pattern matching. Different people give different names to it. The standard name is regular expression. Okay. If suppose I want to do any kind of regex, okay, so I have to import a module called as RE, which stands for regular expressions. Is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Okay, right. Okay. Now what I will do is that I know the first 3 to 4 programs are difficult kind of way, but I'm just showing you that this is also possible. This is done, but I'll show you a more simpler way to do it later. Okay. So if you want to actually do pattern matching over here, okay, first thing is you have to use a method or a function called as compile. This is not the compile one that you are normally use for compiling the program. That is not this compile. Okay. So compile function is used to create an object that will represent a search pattern, that will represent a regex. This is basically called as a regex. Okay, no, guys, is that okay? Okay, I mean, let me repeat once again. Compile is a function in your RE module, that is regular expression module, which is used to create an object or return an object which will represent your regular expression. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay, now you might ask me what is regular expression once again. Regular expression is nothing but a series of characters, okay, which will actually form a search pattern. It means, okay, that is, I am trying to search for this pattern in this string. I'll show you how to do that. I'll repeat once again, listen to me carefully. I'm going very slow. I am trying to search for this pattern, that is this regex. This is a regex. I'm trying to find, I'm trying to match this regex, okay, in this particular string. Is that okay? Now you might ask me, Subhash, what is /w/w? Yes or no? Ask me what is /w/w? Yes or no, guys? Okay, so slash, I'll be explaining this later also, but still because it is there in the starting program only, I'll tell you. /w means any alpha numeric character. What is it? Alpha numeric character. Alpha numeric means a hyphen z to a hyphen z, okay, and 0 to 9. These becomes your alpha numeric characters. Any character from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and 0 to 9, this becomes your alpha numeric characters. Is that okay? So here 1/w is considered as any of the alpha numeric characters among these. Is that okay, guys? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes, no. So what am I trying to do is that I am actually creating a search pattern, or I am trying to create a regex. So what is this regex? This regex can be this, I mean, so in the pattern that I'm trying to search starts with an S, a character S, and it must have, okay, after S, it must have two, what is that? It must have two alphanumeric characters. It can be anything, any of these among these. Is that okay? Is that okay? Guys, okay, not okay? Now in my string, do I have such kind of substring? Do I have such kind of substring over here? Yes or no? I have that, right? Okay. Do I have that? Yes, no? If I put a H over here, will that become a substring again? If I put SUBH, will it become a substring? Yes, it again becomes. Why? Because sub is part of it. Yes or isn't it? Yeah. Okay, having said that, guys, listen to me. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I am creating an object that will represent this pattern. Is that okay? That is what compile will do. We can do it even without these steps, but I'm just showing you the difficult way of doing it, and then I'll show you the easy way to do it. Okay, so I'm basic compile is a function which will actually take this regular expression and create an object out of it. Then what I will do is that I will use one more function called as search. Okay, search is a function which we will use with respect to this particular object v, okay, to see whether this object is there in the string identified by str. If it is there, it will give a result. Okay, so if that result is there, I mean, if you find that pattern, it will say true, and then say, and if you want to see that, then you will have to say result dot group. This method will actually give you whether the string is there, I mean the matched string. Okay, do I have that matched string over here? Yes, no, that is there. So that is why it gets printed. Guys, did you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Can you tell me what are the steps? First step. What is the first step? What is the first step? First step is you will have to compile the pattern match. I mean the regex. You will have to compile, okay, and then you will have to you it gives an object. With respect to the object, you have to search for that object in the string str. Okay, if it is there, it will result. It will give us an object. Okay, so if it is not there, it will give none. Okay, if it is there, if it is matching, then it will give you that matching pattern. If it is not there, it will give you none. Okay, so if I say if result, if it is there, it must be true, and then I would say which is that. Can you please print it using the method group result dot group, and that I'll get that output. Is that okay? Is that okay? Not okay? Can you put that in the chat box? Okay, so I'll show you different programs. You will see how it works. You'll understand. Okay, now for now it will be a little bit confusing, but don't worry, listen to me. Okay, now there is one more way to do the same thing. The same thing, that is two, three steps that you have. Okay, you can do the same thing using this method. Okay, did you see that I have removed compile method in this case? Okay, so what am I doing? Search, compile is gone. Compile is gone over here. So now what is that I'm saying? There is a mistake here. One second. Give me a moment, guys. Okay. Okay, right. So what am I doing over here? I'm saying search for this pattern in this string. If it is there, give me a result. Okay. If it is not there, give me none. Okay. So if there was a result, I would print what was it, and I will get the output sub. Is that okay? Is that okay? Search is basically a function in the module RE. Okay, now, so what are the functions that you have learned now? Search, put that in the chat box. Search. So from now on, if you're using regex, try to use this one. This is a bit complicated, don't do that. Okay, it is search. So what is the first parameter to the search? It would be a regex. It would be a regex comma and the string in which you have to find for this or match this regex. Is it okay? Right? Yes or no? Search regex comma in which string you want to figure it out, and if it is matching, it will give you a result. Okay, if it's not, it will give you a none. Fine. Now I'll show you these programs practically, don't worry. Okay, give me a moment, I'll finish up this. Now in this program, can you tell me what am I having? Is there a search method here? Is there a search method here? Is there a search method? Is there a search method? There is no search method, right? So in this, what is that I have something called as find all. Okay, find all method. What is this find all method doing? Find all method will tell you match, find for a regex which is defined by this particular set of characters in the string str. Now can you tell me what is that it has to match? The regex must start with p. The regex, that is a substring, must match with p, and it must contain how many alphanumeric characters? Tell me. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes or no? 1 2 3 4 5, right? Such kind of regex is there, substring is there in the string? Yes or no? Is it there? What are they? Tell me. P 1 2 3 4 5. This is there. Then here 1 2 3 4 5 will. Okay, yes, it is there. 1 2 3 4 5 is there. Then P again 1 2 3 4 5 is there. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yeah, it is there. Therefore find all will actually find all this pattern, okay, which is matching this particular regex, and will put it in a list called as res. The find all will return a list that contains. If it is not there, an empty list would be passed. Is that okay? And if it is an empty list, is considered as, where is it? If the result is there, if it is there, okay, then it will print that as it is printed. If it is not there, okay, if it is an empty list, it is considered as false. It comes to the else part and prints not found. Guys, is that okay? Do you understand find all? How find all works? Nothing much to explain in today's session, guys. It's all about regex and these characters. It's quite easy session today. Okay. Only thing is I'll be working on find all for a lot of time. Guys, is this okay? Is this program okay? Everyone? Yeah. Okay. Coming to the next one. Okay, we have something called as match. I have something called as match. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now what is match telling you? What is match telling? Can you tell me the first one? What will match tell you? Match will always find for a pattern in the starting of the string. Match will always try to match or find the substring at the starting of the string. Okay, now in this case, what does it say? What is this match trying to do? It is trying to find p followed by 1 2 3 4 5 characters. Okay, in the string is string 1. In string 1, do we have a anything which is starting from p and which is having 5 characters following that? We have Python, but because it is not there at the starting, this will result in a none. It will not be, it cannot find it. Is that okay? Whereas in the C here, listen to me, result 1, it cannot find it, and therefore if it is result what is that result 1, then what will be the output? Okay, it will not print any output over here. Rather, in the second case, we will see, in the second case, okay, str2, it is asking for a substring that starts with p and has 5 characters following it at the starting of the string itself. Okay, therefore it results, yes, it found some result. Okay, therefore result 2 will match, and that is why the output is dash dash dash, and it will print that result2 dot group as Python. Is that okay? You want to see the code once again, analyze, you can analyze. Okay, match function is used to find for a particular pattern that is at the starting of the string. If it is not able to find the pattern at the starting of the string which is mentioned as the second parameter, it will return none. If it is able to find the pattern at the starting of the string, then it will return that pattern. Okay, and then based on that we can actually print it. Guys, did you understand this? In the first case, because there was no string that was starting from p and 5 characters following it, it gave you none. That is the reason result 1, if I say result 1, it was false and it did not get into this if condition. Whereas in the second case, it matched this, and therefore result 2 was not none. It had an object which was matching the string, and if result 2 became true and I printed result2 dot group, it gave me the output as Python. Guys, is that okay? Guys, is that okay? Yes, no? Okay, now coming to, okay, what will find all give you? What will find all give you? What will find all give you? A list, no? Find all will result a list, no? Yeah, okay, so what about our match? Will match in the, will match, yeah, so what about your match? It will give you the regex if it is, if the regex is present in the starting of the string. Is that okay? Hello, is it okay? Yeah, okay. Now we have something called a split. Wait till 7th program. Okay, in 7th I have a lot of things to discuss. I'll finish off the small programs. Okay, so what do you mean by split? Have we done split in strings before? Have we done split in strings before? Yes, no? The same thing over here. So what does this mean? Slash w. What does slash w mean? Wait, I'll show you where to look for. I don't know if I've given this in your program. Okay, yeah. Did you see the slash w? Can you take a picture of this, guys? Represents any non-alpha numeric characters. Guys, can you take this picture of this slash d slash capital D slash s and all that, and put that in the group later, okay? And write it down. Somewhere you manually write it down. Okay, yeah, non-alpha numeric characters. Okay, so what does it say? Split this string where it finds, okay, non-alpha numeric character, that is plus means one or more non-alpha numeric characters. Okay, now can you tell me what are those non-alpha numeric characters? Plus is a non-alpha numeric character, minus is a non-alpha numeric character. Okay, you have your star star star, all these are non-alpha numeric characters. Therefore I am splitting it, okay, and I'm returning a result which is nothing but Subhash. Wherever I find this non-alpha numeric character, I'll split it over there, then programming, and then classes. Is this okay? Guys, today's session would be a little bit boring because nothing, no concepts to explain. It's only no regex to be explained. Okay, so please do forgive me on this. I'm really sorry to make the class boring, but it is actually, the concepts are boring. Okay, guys, did you understand the split here? Where to split? Okay, yeah, right. Coming to this now, sub stands for substitute. Okay, substitute cooking with programming in the string yes. Okay, so it checks for the pattern cooking, and wherever cooking is there, that would be replaced with programming. Okay, so that is what it says. Subhash loves programming. Is that okay? Is this okay? Right? So you will tend to see, listen to me, normally you will forget all these functions if you do not practice it. So keep revising it so that you don't forget. And I want you to replace, I want you to write Subhash loves cooking and cooking only, something like that. I want you to write it down and then practice different ways. Don't just practice the programs that I have given. I want you to mess up with this. I want you to change this plus into dollar and all such kind of things. Okay, guys, you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you? If you want to become expert in regex, then you'll have to do all those things. Fine. Yeah. So shall we go to seventh program, practically doing it? I'll practically start doing it. Okay. The rest you can do by yourself. This one practically I'll do that. Yeah. VI 7.py. Shall we start from first now? Okay. Kirtana, can you help me out? Anyone is there to help me out, guys?
Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah, Kirtana. Tell me, Kirtana. We'll start from first, Kirtana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many strings do we have? Keep answering my question. Okay, Kirtana. Okay. And then we'll check the output. So how many strings are there?
4.
Yeah, 4 strings. Okay. So guys, everyone, can you just read those strings once? Kirtana, you too read it once.
Subhash loves 3 hashing in programming and praying as hash at 5 p.m. or 6.
Okay, so I made sure that this strings contains alphanumeric characters, non-alphanumeric characters. No, non-alphanumeric characters. Yeah, it's only space. Okay, and you have digits and a digit followed by even characters. Did you see all this?
Characters.
Yeah, because I want
Yes,
to make use of regex. No, that is the reason I've mixed everything. Okay, and then
Subhash
second
celebrates his birthday on 7/6/1985
Okay.
and marriage anniversary on 28/8/2014.
Okay, right. Then the third string.
Subhash, colon, 8080 Charan 9090
Okay.
Archita 1010101010.
Okay, then the
D
next string.
equal to hello.
Hello.
Hello world.
Okay, so shall we start doing pattern matching now? Are you ready? Yeah, okay. So Kirtana, can you tell me what is this pattern? What does this pattern say for the first one? First one.
It searches for the substring which starts with H and has at least 3 alphanumeric characters following H.
Where does it search?
In S, the first string.
The first string. Okay, guys, can you please you do that pattern matching and put the output? Let me see. How many? I want you to put the words substrings which matches this quickly. Do that and put that in the chat box quickly. Wait, are you doing it or you're waiting for me? I want, please, no waiting for me. I want you to do it. Kirtana, you're doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naresh, don't say 3 hash and all that. 1 second, wait. Okay, 1 second. Hash. Okay, Kirtana, tell me the output.
Yes, sir. It takes hash from Subhash.
Okay.
Then hash from hashing.
Okay.
And last hash.
Then
as hash.
Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Okay. Shall we run this code and see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first one is right?
Yeah.
Hash and hash. Are you all okay with this, guys? Hash and hash? Yeah? Okay. All right. So Kirtana, second one.
It looks for H followed by.
Okay. So yeah, 1 minute. Listen to me. Yeah. Now listen to me. Okay. When you have the square brackets, okay, it means this, say the square bracket says it is actually used to specify certain characters. It means instead of /w I write ABC. It means it should be H, it should match H and any of the characters among ABC. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any of the characters among ABC. Guys, did you all understand? It can either be A, it can either be B, or it can either be C. Guys, you understand? Put that in the chat box. Okay. So instead of A, B, C, now I am putting, what is that, Kirtan? I'm putting it?
/W. So
what
it
is
is
that?
an alphanumeric. Alphanumeric.
Yeah. What does this star say? Star says
Can be present anytime.
see there on the time. What does star say? The
0
star
or more
says,
repetitions.
So the star says that 0 or more repetition of the preceding regex. So this /W that you put over here within the square bracket, that can be 0 or n number of times. Is that okay? You got what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
Yes, no? Okay, it could be anything and it can be anything. I mean, it can. Now, can you tell me the output of this? No?
Hash from Subhash.
Okay.
Hashing.
Okay, hashing. Okay.
Hash.
Hash, hashing, and hash. Okay, no
Hash.
other hash? No, right?
No.
Okay, shall we see the output?
Yes, sir.
Hash, hashing, and hash. Correct. Okay. Is that okay? Now, come to the third one. Kirtana, do the third one.
Findall.
See the top.
/B.
See the top. What is /B?
Represents a space around words.
Yeah. Okay. So what are you trying to do now? So before H there should be a space, and after that word there should be a space. It means it should not be part of any other word. Correct? It should be a word altogether. Correct? No?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, Kirtana. Previous
Yes,
one.
yes, sir.
Previous to H there should be a space, and after that word that there should be a space. It means it should be a word basically. There is space on both the sides. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that case, tell me which one will match.
Hashing. Only hashing. Hash.
Hashing and hash. Why is Bhavna saying hash and hashing? It is hashing hash or hashing? It's hashing hash, no? Okay. What does it say? It's saying hashing hash. Correct?
Hash.
Okay, right. And guys, I want you to remove all these and you too must test it. Is that okay? I will not be able to test everything over here. Kirtan, you're understanding?
Yes, sir.
Kirtan, you're understanding what I'm trying to tell? It means I want you to remove
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
within the square brackets, I want you to remove /W and put something else and see. I wanted to put A-B, I wanted to put A-Z, I wanted to put 0-9, I wanted to put ABC. I mean, lot of working like this has to be done by yourself. You're getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I've done my best to show all the possibilities. I want you guys to do all by yourself now. Okay? Yeah. Okay. What does this say now? Tell me.
Or /D. /D. It is.
/D stands for digit. Where is that? Okay, represents any digit, 0 to 9 characters.
0
okay.
to 9.
Yeah. Okay. Now coming to this, what does it say now? Next.
It should be one digit and followed by one alphanumeric.
Yeah. So do we have any such thing in this?
5 p.m.
Is it 5 p.m. or 5 p?
5 p.
5 p.m. or 5
Should be 5 p.
Yeah, guys.
5 p.
5 p. Guys, others 5 p. 5 p.m. 5 p. Okay. Shall we see that? Did you get 5 p here?
Yes.
Yes. No. 5 p. Okay. All right. Next. Yeah. Next one.
A digit followed by 0 or more alphanumeric characters.
Yes, like that. Okay. So what would match here?
3.
Yeah, 3.
5 p.m. 6.
5 p.m. 6. Is that okay? Are you all okay, guys? Guys, are you all okay? Three, 5 p.m. 6. Okay.
p.m. 6.
Next one. Which is that? This one? This one or this is over? This one.
The next one.
Yeah. What does plus say?
More than one alphanumeric.
One or more. Star says?
Okay. 0 or more.
1 plus says?
1 or more.
Yeah. Okay. Now tell me.
A digit followed by 1 or more alphanumeric. 5 p.m.
Only 5 p.m. No? Oh, yes, no, guys? Guys, others?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. I have the output here only. Yeah, 5 p.m. Correct? Did you get that? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Mm. This is over?
Yeah.
Okay, here. What
Yeah,
does
the
this say?
7.
Yeah, this says any word, okay, any alphanumeric characters that is of 7 characters. It should be of 7 characters, exactly 7 characters, and which is preceding with a space, and after the word there should be a space. Can you tell me which are those?
Subhash.
Subhash.
Hashing.
Subhash, yeah, okay, Subhash.
Oh, but there is no space before it.
Subhash, there is no space, is it?
Uh,
Okay, fine. We'll see. Then
hashing.
hashing,
Praying. Praying.
hashing, 7 praying, hashing, praying, correct? Hashing,
Yeah.
praying. Okay. So what does it say? But it also says Subhash, is
Subhash
it?
is also taken. Yeah.
In this one only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me put one more space and see what happens. How is it taking here? That is shocking for me also, in fact. What does it say? Subhash,
Behaves
no?
the same.
Okay,
Yes.
might be it is the starting of the string, might be it is taken as a space. Even new line character is taken as a space, might be. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing, okay, because there is nothing behind this is the starting of the string, might be it is considering it as a space. Okay, this is what I guess, I'm not
Okay.
sure. Is
Yeah.
that okay? This is even shocking for me also, but I
Okay.
think might be because it is starting of the string, it is even considering that also. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what does this say?
Start with a space.
No, yeah, no, yeah,
And
correct. That is okay. And this one, 5 or more.
Okay.
This says minimum 5 or more.
Okay. Okay.
5 or more. Okay, can you tell me the output?
Subhash
Okay,
loves.
5 or more. 5 or more.
Yeah. Subhash loves hashing, praying.
Programming?
Yeah. Programming. Yeah. Programming.
Praying, correct?
Yes.
Is there? Subhash loves
Subhash loves
programming,
hashing,
praying.
programming, praying.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Don't you think that this will help you while working on your file assignments? Yes, no?
Yes. It should help.
Okay, okay. So if suppose the strings are given to you in a file, how will you read the strings? Can you tell me? If suppose you have a file, guys, anyone can answer. Anyone can give me the syntax? If suppose you have a file which has some say 10 lines. Okay, I love Subhash KU, I love India, like that. I have some 10 lines given, and I want to read line by line. What will I do?
Read line.
No, I mean, how will you read? I mean, how will you continuously read using a? I don't want to give you a hint. You remember there is a way to actually
While.
using a for loop for
Yes, sir.
line
For a
in file
while.
name for
Yeah.
line in file name. Through the file name you can actually
Yeah.
read it line by line. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
If not, go and revise it. I want you to use that method to do it. Okay, for line in and the file name. So you can read it line by line from a file. I told you this specially in that program. I had given you one program. Okay,
Yes.
anyways, go ahead and just go through that. Right? Okay, so fine. Then what is the next one? What is this?
2, 3.
So 2 to 3. 2 to 3.
Yeah, 2 to
Okay,
3.
2 to 3. Right? So what is the output? And tell me 2 to 3.
2 to 3. In, and, as, at, or.
No 3. And is there, no? And
Yes, sir.
okay.
And is there. 2 to 3. Yeah.
We'll see.
In, and, as, at, are.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. Yeah. Alphanumeric
also
followed
is.
by, yes,
Here?
2 or 3.
Where did that go?
It is
Here, 2 to 3, no?
yeah, 2,
So if it is
3.
2
Yes.
to 3, then 5 p.m. Yeah, it should 5 p.m. also will be there,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes,
Even that will match. Okay. Yeah. What about this?
it should only be a digit.
It should only be a digit. Okay. Why do you think so? It's only a digit.
Like it starts with space and /d denotes digits.
Okay.
Ends with space.
Okay. In the string, yes, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, I'm assuming that you guys are okay with me and
3 and 6.
1 second. Kirtana, guys, are you okay? Guys, I'm expecting you. I'm talking to Kirtana on behalf of you all. Okay, so let me know if you guys are not understanding. Okay, yeah. So what is that here? It's 3 and 6, is it?
3 and 6. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me see this. Is it 3 and 6?
Yeah.
3 and 6. So let me try to make a small change here, Kirtana. Let us try this out. Okay. So what about this? Shall we try this? Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
that it should
We'll
then it should give us 2 also, right?
Yeah.
Is it giving?
Yeah, it gave.
Yeah. So I think it is considering the start of the string as a new word.
As a
Correct? No?
space. Yeah.
Yeah, as a space, right? Yeah. Okay. So what is the number?
So
7. Tell me,
if
Kirtana.
we have a word with 2 digits, right? It will take only the first digit.
Word with?
Say instead of 2, if you have 25.
Okay. Shall we try this?
Yes, sir. It
Yeah.
will take 2 alone, I believe.
What does it give? 3, 6. What was the question?
3. It was only D. So it is expecting single digit.
It is expecting a single digit, but what did we give? 24.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
But I didn't get actually. I didn't get what happened there. Anyways, it's okay.
No, because we are asking first and last should be a space, and within that only 1 digit should be present.
I forgot what was the question actually.
Okay.
Second. What was the question? There had to be a space after the single digit, correct? So
Yeah.
there is no space. There is basically 4, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It had to. If suppose it was like this, okay, after like this, then it would have given.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah. I think if
Yes, sir.
suppose in this case, I think it should give 2, 4, 3, 6, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll try that.
Yeah.
Did it give?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's a bit below.
Yeah, here. 2, 4, 3, 6. Correct, no? Okay,
Yes.
right. Guys, are you understanding here? Others? Others, are you understanding? Yes, no? Okay. Okay, so what is the next one? Okay, what is this? /z. /z indicates the end of a string. Let me go to that. What is /des? Matches only at the end of the string.
End of the string.
It should be at the end of the string. What does /a says? /A matches only at the
start
of the string. So can you tell me what happened? Where is it? Here? This one?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what should it give?
If there is a word with alphanumeric character at the end of the whole string.
So what should it give currently?
The last word.
So what is that? What is that?
6.
6. Okay.
6.
I know. I think it should. I will. 1 second. Where am I, chat? Guys, 1 second. Okay. So it'll give nothing. No, nothing to worry here. But let me change this, and now you tell me the output. Okay. Now, what will be the output? Guys, can you guess what is the output? Where is it?
Gives 6 p.m.
Here, no? So what will be the output here?
It gives none.
It gives?
None. Empty list.
Yeah, it gave an empty list, right? Where is it? Yes. This one, or which is that? This one?
Yes, that one only. Yeah.
From where did we get M and 2 and all that? 1 second. Did we make any changes? second digit M2. Is this the one?
Yes,
now what
sir.
was, is this the one?
Yeah.
M is the answer?
Yeah, that is the one.
6.
I don't think M is the answer.
It should be, what is the end? We have one character at the end, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It should be an empty list. Yes.
No, why it should be an empty list? I'm not telling you anything.
At the end, we don't have a.
No, see here, if suppose I would have given /b like this, okay, then we'll see what. Did you get this? I'm putting a /b over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see what will happen. Now there will be an empty list here, correct? No, now there will be an empty list, right?
Yeah.
First of all, is that the output? Can you count this here? 1 second. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11. This is the 11th print. Okay, so 11th print. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th print. Yeah, 11th print is empty string. No, empty list. Now it will give you an empty list. No, Kirtana. Okay, so I'm saying that there should be a single. This is single. No, this is single letter,
Okay.
and then there should be a space, and then it will give you an empty string. But here this should be the end, and there is a single character over here, and that is nothing but M. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Like if we have a special character at the end of the string, it should print an empty list, right?
If it is having a special character, so dollar,
non-alphanumeric.
dollar,
Yeah.
correct? So
Yes,
okay, I should change it here.
After 6 p.m.
Guys, 1 second. I have a lot of tabs open, so it will take some time. Your video, who walks and all that. Give me a moment. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You get this?
Yeah, it is, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
But what if I, where was that? Here, no? What if I would have given capital W? Capital W. 1 second, guys. I just
give that dollar.
Okay, then we'll give you hash. Okay,
Hash.
so I'll tell you what is capital W in a moment.
The non-alphanumeric.
Yeah, exactly. Capital W is represent non-alphanumeric characters. Okay. So guys, did you understand what we are discussing? Guys, do you understand or not? You want me to repeat? I can repeat. Let me know if you want me to repeat. I can wait for you. Guys, you understand? I know there are a lot of print statements that are confusing, but let me know. I'll go slow. What? Guys, is that okay? Everyone, is it okay so that we can proceed further? Okay, right. Okay, what about this, Kirtana?
/A
indicates the starting of the string. You want to see?
Yeah.
You want to see?
I remember.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I mean, the first letter of the string should be an alphanumeric character.
Yeah.
If that is present, it will return that.
Yeah, and 0 or more characters.
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you want to see the first one? You want to see what is there?
Yes, sir. 2.
Okay, so it is which print is it? 1, 2, 3, 4,
12,
5, 6,
12.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th, isn't it? 12th print.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See what is the 12th print? 1, 2, 3, 4,
2.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th print. 2. Correct, no? Guys, is that okay? Why the, okay, 12th is the 12th line they are saying. Okay. Is that okay, guys, with this? Guys, are you all okay with this? Everyone? Okay, right. We go to the next one. It was in which line? 54. Huh.
54 or something.
This is done, right? Okay, now tell me this.
Yeah, that was done. It should be at this beginning of the string. The word should start with P and one or zero or more alphanumeric characters.
Okay. Anyways, I think this should give empty list, no? Because at the starting there is no word which is starting with P.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So 13th print should be empty list. Okay. We'll see even 14th also together. Why to each and every time open this? What do you think? Okay. 13th print is empty list. Okay. Then 14th print.
Should be Subhash. I mean, at the beginning of the string, the word should start with S, followed by 0 or more alphanumeric characters.
Yeah, we'll see. So, but it is not there, no? It is not there in S, isn't it?
Oh, okay. We changed. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, it should be 13 and 14 empty. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 13 and 14 is empty. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, right. So now we'll start with, we'll go to, 7.py. Now what happens, which is the one? This is the one. Okay, tell me what happened here. Kirtana, you're there?
Should be. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Alphanumeric character within bracket 1, it should have only one character. I mean, a single alphanumeric character it searches for.
Find a single numeric character. Okay, slash.
Single alphanumeric.
Single alphanumeric. Okay. So there are many single alphanumeric characters, right?
Yes, sir.
There are many, right?
Yeah.
There are many. See, here we search, no? It gave us all the words that is having 5 or more. Correct, no? In a list. It gave us all the words that is having more than 5. In this case, in the 42 line. Okay, it gave us all the word that is more than containing more than 5 characters. So what will this give? So it will give you a string which is containing one character.
Only one character, yeah.
So in that case, there are many it will give us many strings with single character. Correct, no? This will return a string with multiple. See here. This is basically a string.
Yes.
Okay. This is basically a string. 2 will become a string of one character. 4 will become a string with one character. S will become a string with one character. U will become a string with one character. Okay. That will be returned that would be part of a list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you're understanding what I'm saying? Guys, hello, everyone. Yes. Okay. Right now. So let us see that. Yeah, it is there. See, 2, 4, Subhash, everything will return. All the single character string would be returned in a particular list. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What is the next one? 57. Next, what happens? Where is it? Here.
W of 1.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Before that.
66. This one. Tell me what happens.
It will give a substring which has only one alphanumeric character.
A word which is basically only one single alphanumeric character, is it? Okay. So do we have such kind of character here?
Yeah. 2, 4, 6.
I'll go to that, right? What is that? 2, 4.
2, 4, 3.
3, 6. It is 6 p.m. Okay. Right.
We remove that.
Okay. I'm typing it here on the chat box. Yes.
2, 4, 3. Yeah.
Is it okay? 2, 4, 3, correct?
Yes.
We got it, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. 2, 4, 3. We got. Fine. It was 66. Okay. Next, what happens here?
It finds for all the non-digits 1, 0 or more, 1 or more non-digits.
What is slash D? Guys, what does slash D represent? Non-digit characters. Okay, no? Non-digit characters. Right? Okay. So it is 67. Okay. So it finds all one or more non-digit characters, correct?
Non-digits.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
will happen? We'll see the output. I think it is quite straightforward.
Two,
All non-digit characters, no?
four
Non-digit
non-digits.
characters.
Yes, sir.
All non-digit characters would be printed. So you will not find any digits over here. All non-digit would be printed. Is that okay, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like it considers space also as non-digit and appends to it.
Yes.
Okay.
The class is boring, is it, Kirtana? What do you feel?
No, sir. No, sir.
I mean, I don't like explaining this chapter at all, to be very honest. It's so, there's nothing to explain much in this. Anyways, where is it? Here. Here, what happens?
72.
Yeah, 72. What happens here in this case?
1 to 2 digits.
Okay, 1 to 2 digits, and then I have a hyphen.
Oh.
So 2 digits, I have a hyphen, and then 1 to 4 digits, I have an hyphen. So I want to actually, sorry,
Yeah.
1 to 4 digits. So I basically want to find for a pattern which looks like this in the string D.
D. Date of birth will get
Yeah,
printed.
so in this, so it searches for this and it gives you the date format. Okay.
Both the dates, yeah.
It gives you this date format. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Then here what happens?
It finds for a string, a substring which starts with an uppercase letter.
Okay.
And 0 or more lowercase letters.
Yeah, okay, 0 or more
Alphabets.
lowercase letters. Okay, fine. So do we have such, and in which string?
A, string A.
String A, okay.
The second Subhash.
No, we have the first Subhash also, no? This is basically a substring, no? It is starting from A, capital A to Z. Yes, it has capital A to Z, no?
But the second letter doesn't match.
Star is there, I think. Star is there, which is 0 or more of the previous.
Okay.
0 or more, no? 0 or more of the previous. Okay, so you also will be there. So I think it should be yes or Ubash, or let us see the output, you'll understand. Yeah, it is there, no? Yes is there. Ubash is there.
Okay.
Okay.
Takes
Subhash is
separated.
there. Okay. Charan is there. Archita is there. Okay. Guys, what you see, what happens when you can observe this output very keenly with the program, right? I think you will be able to figure it out. There's no one to actually explain. Have a keen observation on these pattern matching program and its output, you'll understand. Okay. Can you do that after the class, guys? Just observe, just mess up with this. Okay. Just change the code and see how it works. Trust me, you'll enjoy. Fine. Yeah. Instead of me explain, there is nothing that me to, I mean, there's nothing to explain here. Okay. Only thing is you guys have to work on it. That's all. Right. Okay. So next 70. Okay. So here, what happens?
A digit followed by 0 or more 0 to 9.
Okay. Characters. So in which string?
In A.
In A. Okay. So do we have digit followed
All
by
the
more?
three numerals.
All the three numbers would get printed. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So see the output for the next two now itself. String starts with hello and string ends with world. Is that okay? We'll go and see the program. String starts with hello and string ends with world. What does it say? Search for this hello for the starting of the string. Okay. Search for hello at the starting of the string. Okay. So in the string B, ignore the case if it is. Ignore the case, whether it is capital hello or small hello and all, ignore the case. And you have to see whether this is starting at the beginning. I mean, is it having this at the beginning, which is the string that is B.
B,
Yeah,
last
it is
string.
having, isn't it? We have this. It starts with hello and it is ignored the case. Okay, then what is this next one? This one says,
It is
dollar says at the end of the string, correct? World. Ignore the case. And it says string ends with world. That is the output. Okay. Yeah,
yes, sir.
I think, okay, guys. So I think nothing much for regular expression as of now. So the thing is that I want you to open this code 7.py or the rest of the code, and I want you to just type each and every program, changing each and every characters, changing each and every special characters like slash w, slash capital W, slash d, slash small d, everything, slash b, all this. Okay, I want you to work on this, and if possible, try to give your output in the WhatsApp group. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. And even tomorrow there would be a very small session. Okay. And a lot of your work is there. I mean, less of my work and more of your work. I'll tell you what it is tomorrow. I think this weekend you'll have really some assignments to do. Okay. And then we'll start off with the networking and threads and all that. Okay. Fine, guys. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah, guys, I want to tell you one more thing. I think from November 1st, your revision must start of all. I mean, revision since I will not teach you again from first everything, but I'll be moderating you every day, 2 to 3 chapters per day. You'll have to learn, you have to read, and then submit your answers. Okay, on in the group, you'll have to submit your assignments, or you have to submit your work, or you will have to tell me whether you have revised or not, and all that in the group, and then we'll have a test. Okay, somewhere in the month of I mean on 11th of November or something like that, and once you clear your test, only then you will be getting your certificates. Is that okay, guys? Clear, no? Because I want you to revise, I want you to be with you for some more time, just to revise from first. You would have forgot a lot of things. So from November 1st till November 10th, we will do a lot of revision for whatever we have learned. Okay, and then we'll have a small test kind of thing to test your knowledge, and then only you'll have your certificates. Is that okay, guys? Is everyone, is that okay? Okay, so I think we have whatever is pending, I'll tell you. Okay, we have something called as data structures, which I'll be doing tomorrow. Okay, but less of my work and more of your work tomorrow. Some reading assignments I'll be giving you. And then we have networking concept, that is client server programming, talking to a client and a server, doing client server programming. We have threads. Okay, and we have graphical user interface, that is GUI programming. Okay, how to create your text widget and all that. And I think, yeah, dates and times. Yeah, how to have your date and time and all that. So these are the things which are pending, which I'll be doing it. Okay, next week, and then we'll start our revision. Okay, guys, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah. Okay.
So we have something called pickling and unpickling, which was pending.
Okay, yeah, I'll cover that also. Pickling, and there was something else also pending. Now, what was it? I told you two things: pickling, unpickling,
Something
and
related to class in some previous chapters.
that is pickling and unpickling is one thing I remember. What is that? One more? Can you tell me quickly? You would have written it down somewhere. Tell me quickly, no? Pickling and pickling is a very small concept. Serialization and deserialization. Yeah. Then something else was also pending. Creating your own classes for exception handling. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the thing. That is the thing. So exception handling, I wanted you to create your own class. And I told you once we create our own class and all, then we'll come back and read. Yeah, we'll do that also. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine then, man. Chalo.
Okay.
Meet you tomorrow then. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Guys, anything else to ask me? Hello, anything else? I'll wait for some more time. You have anything to ask me? No? Is there anything to ask me, guys? Yes, no? Okay, chalo. Take care then. Bye bye. Good night.